Hello foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make vegetable paddu. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. Add half boiled rice, normal rice and urad dal. Add gram dal and fenugreek seeds. Wash it with the fresh water. Add fresh water. Soak it for 4 hours. Add some water. Grind it. Now ferment for overnight. Add batter to the mixing bowl. Add grated ginger. Add chopped garlic, chopped chilies, chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, red chili powder. Mix well. Spray some oil to the paddu pan. Fill the paddu mold with the batter. Now place the paddu pan on the gas stove and spray some oil again. Cook it with the lid on. Flip the side in between and cook both the sides. Now vegetable paddu is ready. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.